Hi and welcome to Hoxton Therapy. This is a narration of one of our articles. Anxiety. In life, anxiety can be one of the worst feelings that we can have. Always feeling nervous and worried is a feeling that can be hard to escape and tends to have a massively negative impact on our day-to-day lifestyle. Anxiety is a feeling of nervousness and upset, usually associated with moments in our life like starting a new job, going on a first date, or going on our first day to school. It makes you feel more alert about the world around you and tends to give you an energy injection. It also makes us feel rather nervous and makes concentrating or dealing with issues on the spot a unique challenge in itself. Over time, you will begin to feel calmness once the event comes to an end. What causes anxiety? It's hard to say, as anxiety tends to be something that builds and grows in a rather negative manner. For example, you might find your anxiety is caused by your genetic makeup. If you feel from a more nervous, anxious family, then it can be a part of your own traits as well. At the same time, other factors is also life triggers. Suffering from anxiety problems later on down the track after a nervous or traumatic event is commonplace. Other common causes of anxiety can include the following: undergoing periods of major change in your life, personally or professionally, your inability to find a happy and stable relationship, being younger and not able to cope with the rapid life changes, your general mindset. If you are a natural worrier, it will cause issues in your life day to day. Managing anxiety. The best way to deal with anxiety is to first accept you suffer from anxiety. It can be something that most of us go through in our lives and is fairly common mental health ailment. It is usually treated with counselling or medication or use of a relaxation technique. Most people find that people blend all three and can go some way to transforming that experience for you in positive sense. Typically, you will find you will have the following: constant dryness in your mouth, issues with bowel movements including diarrhea, feelings of nausea, panic and general nervousness, shakiness and an inability to sit at peace, a tight chest and generally nervous outlook on life, a sense of nervousness and restlessness with a bad feeling in the back of your mind. Problems like sleeping and getting a good night's rest. Treating anxiety often means looking at the symptoms that you are facing and then coming up with a plan to defeat them. It is often can be best done by using the art of counselling. Simply opening up in a non-judgmental and advice-driven environment can give the chance to talk and almost solve your own issues. Treating anxiety often means looking at the symptoms that you are facing and then coming up with a plan to defeat them. It often can be best done by using the art of counselling. Simply opening up in a non-judgmental and advice-driven environment can give the chance to talk and almost solve your own issues. Depending on the kind of anxiety that you face and its severity, you should find it possible to locate peace and solace from the anxiety that you face. Don't put off dealing with anxiety, though the longer it lasts, the more significant it will become. Hi, we hope you enjoyed that narration of one of our articles on our website, hoxtontherapy.com. As usual, we have our podcast which answers your question, and the name of the podcast is the Ask Hoxton Therapy Show. You can ask us questions on social media and we will answer those questions in upcoming either video content, and of course when our video content's done, our podcast content audio is done as well. So stay safe out there. It's COVID-19 at the moment. Until next time, goodbye. Never act on any advice given in these articles, videos or audios. Always seek professional help before acting on anything you read or watch or listen to on this website, or in our podcast, or on our YouTube channel, or anywhere on our social media.